1. You are building a dashboard to display quarterly sales performance. Which Tableau feature allows you to switch between different views without creating separate dashboards? A. Dashboard actions. B. Story points. C. Sheet swapping. D. Parameters. 2. While creating a calculated field, you need to aggregate the average sales per customer. Which Tableau function should you use? A. Window sum. B. Average. C. Total. D. Index. 3. A data set contains daily sales for multiple regions. You want to compare each region's sales to the national average. Which feature is most efficient? A. Table calculations. B. Reference lines. C. Trend lines. D. Pages shelf. 4. Which join type in Tableau will include all records from the left table and only matching records from the right table? A. Inner join. B. Left join. C. Right join. D. Full outer join. 5. When creating a map view, Tableau automatically places geographic fields on which shelf? A. Rows. B. Columns. C. Pages. D. Detail. 6. You want to create a KPI indicator that changes color based on performance thresholds. Which Tableau functionality is most appropriate? A. Conditional formatting. B. Highlight table. C. Color legends. D. Level of detail expressions. 7. When blending data from two different sources in Tableau, the secondary data source fields are indicated by which symbol? A. Red checkmark. B. Blue checkmark. C. Orange chain link. D. Green plus sign. 8. Which type of filter in Tableau is applied before data aggregation? A. Context filter. B. Extract filter. C. Dimension filter. D. Measure filter. 9. A manager wants to see sales trends for each product category, but only when a specific region is selected. Which feature would allow this? A. Parameter actions. B. Filter actions. C. Highlight actions. D. URL actions. 10. In Tableau, which field type automatically supports drill-down functionality? A. Continuous measure. B. Discrete measure. C. Date hierarchy. D. Calculated field. 11. You are asked to display the top 5 products by sales in each region. Which Tableau feature can achieve this dynamically? A. Index function. B. Fixed LOD expression. C. Top-end filter. D. Custom SQL. 12. To optimize dashboard performance, which action is recommended? A. Use live connections for large datasets. B. Minimize the number of quick filters. C. Increase worksheet size. D. Use high-resolution images. 13. You want to show year-over-year sales growth as a percentage. Which calculation is best suited? A. Running total. B. Percent difference. C. Z-score. D. Rank. 14. Which Tableau feature allows users to explore a sequence of visualizations that tell a data story? A. Dashboard. B. Story points. C. Workbook. D. Worksheet tabs. 15. You have sales data at the transaction level and need to calculate total sales per customer regardless of filters. Which type of LOD expression should you use? A. Include. B. Fixed. C. Exclude. D. Window sum. 16. When using Tableau extracts, what is one key advantage over live connections? A. Real-time updates. B. Faster performance. C. Automatic joins. D. Unlimited storage. 17. Which type of chart is most suitable for showing the relationship between two continuous measures? A. Bar chart. B. Scatter plot. C. Heat map. D. Pie chart. 18. In Tableau, which file type stores packaged workbooks along with data and resources? A. TWB. B. TWBX. C. TDS. D. TD. 19. You need to display monthly sales, but your data only contains transaction dates. What Tableau feature helps group data into months? A. Bins. B. Groups. C. Date truncation. D. Table joins. 20. Which Tableau function returns the current index of a row in the partition? A. Index. B. Rank. C. First. D. Last. 21. You are asked to create a filter that applies to all worksheets using the same data source. Which option should you choose? A. Apply to selected worksheets. B. Apply to all using this data source. C. Apply to dashboard only. D. Apply as context filter. 22. When creating a dual-axis chart in Tableau, what must you ensure for synchronization? A. Same measure names. B. Same data type. C. Same aggregation type. D. Same worksheet size. 23. Which Tableau feature enables end users to modify the value of a variable without editing the workbook? A. Sets. B. Parameters. C. Groups. D. Filters. 24. In Tableau, what is the purpose of the pages shelf? A. Animate views over time. B. Create hierarchies. C. Organize worksheets. D. Filter dashboards. 25. Which Tableau server feature allows you to schedule automated extract refreshes? A. Data engine. B. Backgrounder. C. VisQL server. D. Cache server. Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool used for analyzing and visualizing data in an interactive and intuitive way. It enables users to create detailed and shareable dashboards, reports, and charts without needing advanced programming skills. With its drag-and-drop interface, Tableau allows users to connect to various data sources, including databases, cloud services, and spreadsheets, making it versatile for diverse applications in business intelligence. It helps users explore and interpret data through visualizations such as bar charts, line graphs, and heat maps, which can reveal patterns and trends that might otherwise be overlooked. Tableau is widely used across industries for data analysis, business reporting, and decision-making, empowering organizations to make informed, data-driven choices. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of Tableau. 1. Data visualization. Tableau enables users to create interactive and visually appealing dashboards and reports from complex data sets. It transforms raw data into intuitive visualizations such as graphs, charts, and heat maps, making it easier to analyze trends, patterns, and insights that are difficult to identify from tables or spreadsheets. 2. Business intelligence and decision-making. Tableau provides powerful analytics capabilities that help businesses make data-driven decisions. By visualizing key metrics and KPIs in real time, users can quickly identify business opportunities, assess performance, and track progress against goals, enabling more informed decision-making at all organizational levels. 3. Integration with various data sources. Tableau can connect to a wide range of data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, cloud services, and big data platforms. This flexibility allows businesses to combine and analyze data from multiple sources, creating a unified view of their operations and performance. 4. Interactive and dynamic dashboards. Tableau's interactive features allow users to drill down into data, filter results, and adjust views based on specific needs. This dynamic interaction makes it easy to explore different aspects of the data, whether for ad hoc analysis or ongoing monitoring of key business metrics. 5. Collaboration and sharing. Tableau enables easy sharing of reports and visualizations across teams and stakeholders. With features for collaboration and publishing dashboards to Tableau Server or Tableau Online, users can share insights securely and provide real-time access to important data across the organization, fostering better collaboration and transparency.